Hey guys, it's Derek Owens, Battle Axe Barbell. I'm with my lovely assistant today,
Sarah Lopez.
and I'm gonna show you guys how to throw 30 pounds on your deadlift in one training session. So Sarah here doesn't have that much experience strength training, not pushing her CNS or taking it to that limit. There's no linear progression in her exercising, no offense. But that's just how bodybuilders are, and you guys know what I'm talking about. I used to be one. But hey, we're all here, we all love each other, it's all right. So today we're gonna focus on some dynamic stretching for warm-ups. We're gonna be going over big jumps, big warm-ups. It's a little thing I work with a lot of clients. We're not gonna waste any energy on sets we know we can do, and we're just gonna push it today, and we're gonna do your stereotypical max out. So anytime you're maxing out, guys, you want to restrain from using as much energy as possible. So the first thing I always start out with, and when I'm working with my clients, is we just work on an empty bar. We're gonna just hit some RDLs. We're gonna basically tell the mind what muscles we're gonna be using that day, minimizing any excessive stretching, any energy that we don't need to use that day. When you're maxing out, you wanna save everything for that big number at the very top. So what Sarah's gonna do right now, she's just gonna grab this bar and she's just gonna go up and down with it. And then we're gonna work on some dynamic stretching. I'll tell you more, guys, about that in a second. Man. That's good. And you want to come back on me? So what Sarah's doing, she's basically not locking out, she's not going all the way down, she's just firing off those muscles that she's using. Glutes, hamstrings, her inner rhomboids, her lower lumbar is nice and straight. She's getting core engagement this entire time. She's hinging at the knees just so where everything is nice and fluid. She's telling her mind what she's gonna have to do when there's actually weight loaded on the bar. So what Sarah's doing now, she's grabbing a kettlebell, she's hitting some RDLs, she's getting some external hip rotation to feel hip muscle engagement, which is really overlooked aspect of deadlifting. She's feeling it out, she's got that static hold in her back, and then she's gonna stop, she's gonna center out, and she's gonna start hitting some rows. What this does, it's gonna start engaging the lats. It's gonna start firing off these muscles that are gonna help her lock out a heavy deadlift. She's gonna hit this, and after she gets done with this, we're gonna throw some weight on the deadlift bar, and we're gonna start hitting some more warm-ups. First warm-up set with actual weight on the bar, there's 135 on here. Sarah's gonna do 5 reps, making sure she resets everything, resetting every single rep, because we're working up to a max single today, so it'd be pointless to blow through 5 reps. So what Sarah's gonna do, she's gonna come up to the bar. I'm gonna do some slight tweaks, critiquing her, because she's never had this done before, because like I said, this is all real, guys. She's a real bodybuilder. She has no idea what she's doing. So we're gonna work into that. She's gonna start off coming up to the bar. She's gonna get tight. What she's gonna do, she's gonna come up to that bar. She's gonna rotate these elbows in. What she's doing by rotating these elbows in this way, she's getting lat engagement. She's engaging these triceps. It's also locking down these pinkies, guys. So everybody at home, if you wanna get a nice tight deadlift, you wanna squeeze those arms in right here. You wanna rotate it again, do it again. So go out, rotate, and then rotate it back in. What this does is it engages here, rear delts. She's got that tricep in here, so it's nice long, and she's really cranking in that pinky, which is gonna optimize her grip. So she's gonna start repping these out. Let's do one. Good. She's squeezing the lockout. She's making sure her feet are nice and flat. Doing another one. Good. She's hitting her hamstrings, her engagement. She's rotating those elbows in. Good. 2 more. Good, and what she's gonna do, she's gonna take a big full breath in and she's gonna blow it out on the way up. Perfect. So what we're gonna do now, we make big jumps with big warm-ups. It's something I really live by when I work with a lot of my clients. And what that means is you're allowed to save energy, make bigger jumps as long as you're taking your time, making sure your body's warmed up in between those jumps. So she just made a 50-pound jump here. Sarah only weighs 135 pounds, we're already at 185 pounds. But in between these sets, we're gonna go make sure she warms up her body properly. She's opening up those hips. She's making sure that back's turned on. Everything's just fired up. Blood's where it needs to be. And we're gonna party after that, okay? So what Sarah's doing right now, she's doing single leg kettlebell deadlifts. She's really hinging the hips. She's firing it off. She's making sure she's gonna go over 8 reps every single leg. She's firing it off. She's leading with this back leg. She's trying to keep everything straight from her shoulder down to her ankle. This is working her core at the exact same time, which is very detrimental to deadlifts. Good, she's squeezing up that glute chuck. You see that? She's leading with that gluteus medius at the top. She's keeping this all nice and rock hard. Your posterior chain is so important here in deadlifts. What Sarah's gonna do now, so we got 185 pounds on the bar right now. She's gonna hit 3 reps, making sure she resets every single one of them. She's gonna go through a mental checklist of every single cue she needs to hit right now. She should be really warmed up just from those 2 in-between warm-ups we had in between just 135 pounds and 185 pounds. So, let's check it out. Elbows, rotate, stand up, breathe out. Don't jerk the bar. So what Sarah's gonna do now, she's gonna pull the slack out. What pulling the slack out is she's gonna give a slight little tug on the bar, and then she's gonna finish through and feel that acceleration. Her body gets a lot tighter. A lot of misconception in deadlift, people yank on this bar. You need to pull that tightness out, pull it out, and then you accelerate. There you go, that's good enough. So what that is, guys, is that clank you see on a deadlift bar, that little clankety clank you get, that's pulling the slack out. If you go 0 to 100 and you just yank on this, your body's gonna get thrown out of whack, you're gonna get thrown out of position, and you're just gonna have a really sloppy deadlift, and you can also injure yourself. And it'll make you not use the muscles you need to use. So, it was really good. I asked Sarah if she felt warmed up. She said yes. So we're just gonna take some time in between our next set. We got 225 thrown on the bar. Sarah's over here rolling at her back. She's just stimulating some more blood. She's knocking some stuff loose, making sure she's getting some help from Colonel as well. So after she's done, we're gonna take 1 to 2 minutes. We're gonna hit 225 for a single. Singles from this point on. We're gonna make some big jumps because she's warmed up. She's also gonna throw a belt on and we're gonna execute this. Hopefully we get up to 315 today. Pretty positive. Her current PR is 285 pounds. And I'm a man of my word. We're gonna throw 30 pounds on her deadlift today. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna hit this single. And from this point on, we're hitting singles until we get to our 315 goal for today. She's gonna treat every single rep like it's 315. She's not gonna half-ass this, she's just gonna full send it. So she's gonna strap up right now. We're gonna go through some cues. All right, take your time. She's breathing, she's taking her time, she's engaging, she's using that belt, she's pushing out against it. Stand up, speed, good. Down. Awesome. This point on, she's gonna take some time, we're gonna take some long breaks, we're gonna do another big jump and we're gonna move on. We got 275 on the bar right now, she's about to send this for a single. She's gonna go through everything mentally, she's gonna take a big breath in, circle in those elbows, brace against that belt and stand up. Good, down. Woo! So what we're doing right now, guys, this is a testament to my professional career. I said we're gonna add 30 pounds to her deadlift. Her previous max is 285. We got 315 on the bar, and if my math serves me right, that is a 30-pound jump. So we're gonna send it right now. You ready? ERPR.
Oh.
So manly. Come on.
Yeah, so hardcore.
Start breathing. Come on, start breathing.
Go, let's go.
Use the belt. Come on. Go, 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 go! Yes! Woo! Woo! What the fuck is up? Yeah! Yes!
I feel amazing. That has been my goal for a good 1.5 years, and I just crushed it.
In one workout.
Yes. You're the master.
Only a Battle X barbell. I hope you guys had a lot of fun. I know Sarah did. Try this out at home, guys. Come by Battle Axe Barbell. Work with a strength conditioning coach that knows what they're talking about if you're interested in strength conditioning. Remember, like, subscribe, comment, tell us what you think, and don't forget, Shop Man Sports.